Well, it would have been a beautiful day today, except they've totally covered the sky in chemtrails, haven't they? Nothing new under the sun. More chemtrails. Yesterday was nice. There's only a couple. Today we're smothered. They started over there and it's drifted out. Oh, what can you say? Chemtrails today. You hungry? You hungry? It's cold night, so you need more food, buddy. Only freezing nights. My back's out. You're an idiot. Look at you. Vultures. Get back in. Get back in. Come on. The news too. Get on. Fuck. Hello, mate. You okay? Poor crippled rooster. Still surviving. Hey baby, you want to go see your daddy? In there? Surviving baby. Isn't it, mate? Look. Well, hey. Looks like it hurts to walk, mate. You're staggering like hell now. Big changes coming off. Hey? We're getting another dog. Hey? Third dog to come from tryin. A little mate. Known her since she was 9. 3 dogs and... Hey buddy! Ivy is one of them. Hey? Oh shit, you're tripping, mate. Now, Tiony's dad died, and she wants me to take his dog, Bruno. Beautiful bull mastiff. He's beautiful and healthy. Opposite to Ivy. Friendly, playful. It's just sad that, you know, I couldn't have got him later on up the track when Ivy died. But the person who has him doesn't want him anymore. She works. Neighbours complained about him barking. She's at work. So I went and met him the other day, and he's beautiful, beautiful big boy. But I don't think I can have him and Ivy together because she'd get that jealous. So I'm going to have him separate like it was when Sasha was alive. We had to have him separate. Big change. Well, that would report no chemtrails today. Or yesterday. I'm still not breathing any better. Very congested lately. Hey, it's terrible watching your dog grow old. Struggle to get around. Breaks your heart. It's staggering. girl. Hey, good girl. The sun's nice today, isn't it? It's so low lately. So cold at night lately, isn't it? Ivy, you're not eating kangaroo shit, are you? Wombat shit. What are you eating? Ivy, alright. Get out of it. Looks like wombat shit. Kangaroo shit, they both look the same. Hey, I'll outlive you, Ive, but Bruno's just a young boy. He's only 3. Still acts like a little puppy. A lot like a Roddy, actually. Really losing me breath. Doing the simplest things lately. Including building this fence. Hey, even though I'm getting another dog, mate, don't worry. I won't neglect you. I'll be there for you, buddy. Poor Bruno will just have to get used to sleeping by himself. Well, here we are. Back home. I've got the dog shit bucket, but fucking. Oh, here we are. I've got the fence half done. Join it here, and this will be Bruno's spot. It's not much of a yard. He's got this. I'll clear out this section. You can at least run around here too. We can get a bit of a run up. Later on, I'll extend it out. Extend the yard out. He can have a bit over that way. And you've still got all this backyard. Hey, mate. She knows. She knows I'm getting a dog. Getting another dog. So I just have to build a gate here. Build it across like so. Yeah. That'll be right. It'll be Bruno's sector. I'll open up the shed too so he can run around under shelter there. This caravan, fuck. Right, I'll take this gate from here, from the roosters. Right, buddy, on our way to town. The permit on, a new permit. It's the second one I've got. Something I haven't noticed lately is the eagles. I haven't seen them the last few times I've been into town. Yep, so yesterday totally chemtrailed, even though it was overcast. It was chemtrailed to hell. And it looks like the same's going on today above the clouds. Because as you can see, up ahead, you know, those lines in the cloud don't look right. Even the colour of the sky looks weird. Doesn't it? Oh, it looks sort of reddish, and it's not even the end of the day. It's only about 1 o'clock or something. 1 o'clock. Into town to get some parts for my car. Try and do everything this week to get everything ready for the new puppy puppy dog. And we can't road where we next week. Still got to clean the engine and everything. But we're getting there, right? We're getting there. Didn't do much yesterday, it was so fucking cold. But I've got a bit done today already. Hopefully I have time to do shit when I get back. Oh yeah. Mission accomplished, got everything we needed to get in sail. Got the gas. We got chemtrails everywhere today. Hidden amongst real clouds, but we got the clouds look like they did in Lord of the Rings, you know. Well, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Just got to put this here so Ivy can see Bruno, the new puppy dog. And after scouting around, I've got a gate, a second gate for Ivy's sector. And I'm going to put a post there, post there. There's the two posts, the gate. I've got all the tin for this fence here and for that gap over there. Hey, it's all just, coming together. I didn't think I'd have enough material, but I got a good post here. I'll fill that hole in before Ivy falls in. And get rid of all this rubbish. This will probably be where the dog will be shitting the most. It's not much of a yard, but it's just going to have to do. And I'm going to open this shed up a bit so he's got a bit of shelter too. And get rid of this door. Get rid of this tin. And this Barbie. And sort out this shed so he's got a nice little sheltered spot. And I'll put a wall across here. Well, that's a lot of work, but I'm getting there. I'm fucking getting there, buddy. Just working with what I got. I haven't got a door for that caravan. The door on this caravan in here is fucked. And this door's fucked. What is it with fucked caravan doors? I got 3 fucked caravan doors on. Plus all the smashed windows from when certain someone was here who would get drunk and just smash a window whenever he felt like it. I've hung this door here, so that's gonna close. I just gotta drop the wood there. Okay. And then I can come in here, see Bruno go via this way. I'm going to get a couch so Bruno can sit in here and I'll get the fire going. And it's fucking dark in that room. It'll all be good, I'll be better. It's a chance for me to clean up the fucking place. Look at the mess. Winter's fucked. That's it for today. I don't want to do any more. Got a whole day tomorrow and Friday to get it all done. The place will look totally different.